Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Panda, which is a video compressor. So let's get started. We're going to open our Play Store. Open your Play Store. Now come to your search, then search for Panda video compressor. Let me show my tab. This is it, this one here. Click on it. As you can see I've already installed it, so I'm just going to click on update. So on your own, you're going to click on install and it's going to install on your phone. Let's wait for it. Yeah, our Panda is been installing. It's almost finished. Yeah, I think it's done. Let's wait for it. I think it's been installing already. Yes, it's been installing. You can see. Let's wait for it to install finish. Yeah, I think it's been installing. Let's wait for it. Oh, let's wait a little bit more. Yeah, so you can see it has installed finish. So guys, if you want to know how to use Panda, in my next video I'm going to use Panda to compress a video. So guys, to watch my next video. Thank you guys. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe, it's absolute. Thank you, and click the like button.